Hey everyone, welcome back. I hope you guys are all doing amazing. Today is another one of my very chatty get ready with me videos, and I am going to use e.l.f. cosmetics today. They just launched on Nykaa and I wanted to try out their products with you guys. So let's get started, shall we? I just uploaded my 2020 skincare favorites. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I had so much fun filming it and it was quite nice to actually go through all of the skincare products that I actually finished up using. You don't really realize how much of a product you use until you go back and see everything. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to use is their Holy Hydration Face Cream. So I'm going to start this as a base. Right, so this is just like a moisturizing cream. It's not makeup, and you can use this in the night also, as it says. Ooh, that feels really soft. I really like the finish of this. It's very cushiony and I love, this is one of my favorite moisturizer textures. It's very similar to the Belief moisturizing balm. Next, I'm going to prime my face using their Poreless Putty Primer. This is what it looks like. And I'm just going to, oh, this is so satisfying. It's like this soft putty-like finish, and I'm just going to apply like a nice thin layer all over my face. Oh my god, I'm loving the texture of all of these products. And this is also like a universal color. As you can see, it's blending right into my skin tone. I don't know if it is covering up my pores though. It's quite moisturizing, but I don't see like that blurring effect. So I've let it set for like 30 seconds. I am going to apply my favorite Born This Way foundation. I wear the shade Warm Beige. Take that onto the back of my hand. I'm using this Sigma 3D HD brush to kind of spread the foundation. And my foundation is gliding on really well on top of the primer. My skin is doing so well. I barely apply any foundation on my forehead. That feels so good. I have worked so hard for my skin to look this way. Just taking a little bit onto my chest as well, whatever is left. And then I like to take a wet sponge and blend everything. Let me know what are your favorite foundations in the comments down below. I have shared mine in my previous video, so I hope you watched that. I'm going to use a little bit of my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer underneath my eyes. This is the e.l.f. Camo Concealer Sponge. They also have a Camo Concealer, which I unfortunately don't have with me to try and show you. But I am going to try this concealer sponge. It looks really nice. It feels very soft. And I'm going to use that. I love the shape of this. I think it's perfect for underneath the eyes. The ones that are too tiny, sometimes they just don't work well for me because I feel like I don't get like a good solid grip to blend, but this is like perfect. I feel like this would be great for baking underneath the eyes as well. I think e.l.f. also does a really good loose powder. I could be wrong, but I want to check that out too. But today I'm going to use this one from Hourglass. This is their Veal translucent setting powder. I have heard such good things about this, so let's try. See, it's perfect to bake underneath the eyes too. I love the sponge. It's perfect. Like, I love the sharp tip. I think it just helps to get all of the concealer like right in the corner, and you can also create like a sharp edge using this. Next, I'm going to take this Monochromatic Multi Stick. This is in the shade Luminous Berry. I'm going to show you how it looks like on the back of my hand. This is what it looks like. Almost like a mix of highlighter and a blush. So I think I'm going to take it right here. And then use my sponge to blend it. I love how luminous that is. I think you can even use this as an eyeshadow stick. These products blend so well. I'm kind of contouring with the blush. Next, I'm going to use the 24 karat gold highlighter. This is the first thing I noticed and I am so excited to use this highlighter. It looks so stunning. This is what the highlighter looks like. I think the combination of this two is so pretty. So I'm going to apply it on the high points. I feel like that blush is already given a lot of highlight on my cheeks. So let's just double that glow. I'm going to use a fan brush. Oh my god, that is so pretty. I love that it's not too chunky. I expected the finish to be quite glittery, but it's not. It's very soft and diffused. Not too chunky. I hate chunky highlighters. I feel like they don't sit well on my skin. I'm gonna apply it here. Do you see how smooth and diffused that is? Like you can see the glow and it just blends so well. This isn't one of those like blinding highlighters though, but it is a very soft, diffused one. So if you are someone who is like a fan of that natural sheer glow, then I think this would work very well for you. Moving on to my brows now, I'm going to use this Instant Lift Brow Pencil. The tip is quite nice and precise. I like that. So I'm going to start right here and try and fill in my eyebrows. I love how soft this is. Do you see how natural that looks? It's not streaky at all. The formula is very soft and it comes with a spoolie so you can blend it all out. Then I'm going to take Wow Brow. This is a tinted brow mascara in the shade Brunette. I'm going to use that to set my brows. Has a slight brown tint to it. I feel like you can use your mascara to do this. Let's move on to the eyes. I think the first thing other than the highlighter that I noticed is this liquid eyeshadow. I am a big fan of liquid eyeshadow. I think they are so easy to use, so versatile, and I feel like liquid eyeshadows work so well if you are a beginner and you want that hassle-free, fuss-free eyeshadow application. This is in the shade Copper Pop and it's this beautiful coppery shade. Ooh, that's pigmented. So I think I'm going to take this champagne color and keep that in the center, and then I'm going to use their bite-sized eyeshadow palette. This is in the shade Very Bad. I'm going to use it with this e.l.f. blending brush. I love e.l.f. brushes. I have quite a few of them that I've tried before. I'm going to take this light brown shade just to kind of give a nice wash of that color all over my eyes, very close to like my natural eyelid shade. Then I'm going to take this darker brown and concentrate that on the outer half of my eyes. See how beautifully that's blending? It's so satisfying. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply this liquid eyeshadow in Copper Pop right here on the center. I'm going to take their Precision Liquid Eyeliner and quickly draw a winged eyeliner. I love the fine tip. It's super small. Well, that was easy. So smooth. That was really smooth. This is what the eyeliner looks like. It was very smooth, very opaque. Just a nice foxy detail. I was just doing my other eye and suddenly the sun has come out so bright. It's literally blinding me. Okay, so time to try the mascara. This is their waterproof length and volume mascara, a dome shaped applicator. I love waterproof mascaras, and the mascaras that I like, they're quite dramatic. This one is very natural looking. As you can see, it separates my lashes well, but it's not as dramatic as I like my mascaras. Lastly, I'm going to apply this liquid matte lipstick. This is in the shade Red Vixen. It's very soft. I really like the formula. It's like those soft matte lip creams. It feels like that. And that applicator makes it very easy to apply as well. It's got a super sharp tip. Now that the lipstick has set, I feel like it's a bit drying and tight on my lips. So I'm going to apply a little bit of the gloss. This is their Lip Plumping Gloss in the shade Champagne Glam. And just apply it onto the center. So this is the finished look. I went and put some jewelry, opened my hair up, and if I were to choose some favorites today, I would say the hydrating cream is really nice. I also really liked the Poreless Putty Primer. I really liked the Instant Lift Brow pencil, and then I loved the Monochromatic Multi Stick. I think that did a really good job, and I also really liked their liquid eyeshadow. I think those were my favorites from e.l.f. and I think I don't really like the mascara much at all. The Plumping Lip Gloss is quite nice too. Has a little bit of that tingling sensation. The lipstick is a little bit drying but very opaque, and love the color. So yeah, that's pretty much today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this. Don't forget to subscribe because I have tons of new video coming up your way, and I will see you in my next one.